IPC 172, absconding to avoid services of summons or other proceeding. So today we are going to discuss about IPC section 172. So before that, I request you all to subscribe to this channel and let us have some basic knowledge about IPC sections. To reduce the crime rate, I want to create an awareness about IPC sections and what are the punishments, so that we can create more awareness and we may reduce the crime rate because of creating an awareness. So by the way, what is the IPC section 172 as per the IPC? So the description has been given in Indian Penal Code for IPC 72. So whoever absconds in order to avoid being served with a summons, notice, or order proceeding from any public servant legally competent. As such public servant, to issue such summons, notice, or order shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 month, 30 days, or with fine which may extend to 500 rupees, or with both. This is most important point 1 in this section. Point 2. If the summons or notice or order is to attend in any person or by agent, or to produce a document or electronic record in court of justice, with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, or with both. So if anyone try to abscond to receive summons, orders, or something from the government officer who is legal competent, who have the authority to issue the summons or any order or any notice, if anyone try to escape, anyone try to abscond to receive such kind of summons or notice or notice or something else, they will be getting imprisonment, appropriate imprisonment. So simply absconding to avoid service of summons or other proceedings from a public servant, then there will be punishment, simple imprisonment for 1 month, or fine, or the both. Depends on severity of the case, or is it a repeat, what is his response, how he is doing, like that. It's a non-cognizable offense. It's a bailable. You may not compromise. You cannot compromise for these kind of offenses. And in the same section IPC 172, we have second point. If summons or notice require attendance in person, etc., in a court of justice, but still the person is absconding to receive any summons or notices from the court, then he will be getting simple imprisonment for a 6 months, or fine, or the both. Even this is non-cognizable offense and it's a bailable. It's a summons case. It is trialable by any magistrate. So what I want to convey you that when a legally competent government officer, any public servant issues any notice, any order, or any summons, you are supposed to receive them by respecting the respective government public servant. If you try to abscond to don't receive, then you will be getting imprisonment plus fine. At the same time, we should respect the court and the court orders, summons, notice. You are supposed to receive them. Wantonly, if you escape, if you abscond if you don't want to receive them, and if you want to abscond to receive them from the respected court, then you will be getting either imprisonment of 6 months or fine, or the both. Depends on the severity. So my humble request for you all to respect the court and public servants, follow their instructions, whatever you are about to receive something from the court or public servant, you are supposed to receive them. Even if you'll be getting imprisonment even if you prevent them to receive. So we can discuss about that IPC section 173 in next video. So this is all about IPC 172. Respect court, respect public servant, and take an appropriate decision. Because court will say, if you don't want to attend, at least you can attend by an agent or someone who can represent you. And court will ask you to produce any document or any electronic document on behalf of you in the court. But if you are not at all receiving any summons or court order or court notice, then you will be getting an imprisonment. You must have to respect the court, and you need to attend, you need to receive the documents, you need to receive the notices, you are supposed to receive the summons. And if you get abscond for this, you will be getting imprisonment plus fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to channel. Let us spread legal knowledge to each and everyone. It's everyone's responsibility to respect our statutes, our law and order. If you have any questions or if you want to share your feedback, please post your comments in this video. Please do like, please share the video, and must subscribe to this channel, and I request you all to share the videos to spread more awareness about legal knowledge. Thank you so much. Respect women, stop crimes and women, stop rapes and women, respect children, don't commit for any crimes and women and children. Thank you so much and have a great day. Ramesh Pitla. Thank you.